What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a Solana token without the need of coding. Now it does involve a few steps here, however it's totally doable. You can still do it if you don't have any experience with coding, and in this video I'll show you the steps you need to do so. Now all of the platforms that I will show you here are so easy to access, and it's so easy to follow along with this video. Now, all you need to do is here, first of all, you need a Phantom wallet, or I do recommend to use the Phantom wallet. So if you don't already have the Phantom wallet, you can go to their website, the phantom.app, and download it for your browser. They do support the popular browsers right here: Firefox, Chrome, Edge, and Brave. And you can also download it on a mobile phone. They do support iOS and Android. And creating a wallet is pretty easy. First of all, you can download it. I did use the Chrome extension right here. And here I do have it. I've set it up. However, if you didn't set it up yet, just download the extension. It will get you to the extension download page or the extension marketplace on Chrome. You can just download it, set a password, and then a security question, and you are just good to go. And the next platform that we need is oriontools.io. So that's the platform where we will create our Solana token. Now the next step we need to do is to connect our Phantom wallet to Orion Tools in order to be able to create our token. And make sure your wallet is active and visible right here and installed. And make sure that once you click here on select wallet, you have your Phantom wallet detected. If it's not and it's created, just refresh the page, and also you have more options if you want to. However, we'll just focus on Phantom wallet in this video. Now make sure first of all that you have, of course, an image that you will use as your token, and make sure it's your own image, or sorry, not your own image, not an image of yourself, however an image that you created for yourself, not an image that you downloaded randomly from the internet. Now I do have an image ready, and let's name it, for example, Tiger Warrior, and the symbol is just an abbreviation, so like Tiger Warrior here, TWA. Now the decimals, you can go and set it however you like. I'll just set it to 9. And now the supply, you need to set a high number, because if people are downloading your token and they like it, they can always get more of it. So setting up a high number like 1 million, 10 million is good. So I'll set it to 10 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. And description, you can get creative and describe your token however you want. Let's say here, the brave Tiger Warrior who will demolish the internet, or will take the internet by storm, for example. Okay, now that is ready, let's upload the image. Okay, just scroll down till you see it. Okay, this is the image, and this is the Tiger Warrior that I was talking about. Okay, upload it. And now these are two important options. You can revoke freeze and allow people to create a liquidity pool, so that you can unlock the restrictions for people to freely use your token. And you want to also revoke mint to increase your token supply, so you can do so if you want, and I do recommend doing so. Now here, for revoking the mint authority, you need to select the token, and first you need to create it. So here I've just added the name, the symbol, the decimals, the supply, and you also, as I told you, the decimals and the supply, you can do your own numbers, and a description. Now you need to select a wallet, the Phantom wallet that is detected. Okay, allow access to Orion Tools, connect. And now the wallet is connected. Now the next step you need to do is to click on create token, and here it'll pop up here to confirm the transaction. Okay, confirm it. And it might take a minute or two, however the transaction is now confirmed. Now once the transaction is confirmed, you can select the token from here. If it doesn't show up, just wait for a minute or two, or just refresh the page. And just for the sake of this tutorial, you should, as I told you, like wait for a minute or two for the token to appear here and then revoke mint authority, and then you will be good to go to the next step. So one thing that you might want to consider is to have like funds in your Solana wallet. This is a newly account that I created. It has 0 funds. That's because, and that's probably why that's surely why the token was not created right here. However, I'll just show you the way. Let's say the Tiger Warrior token is created right here, and I have like 10 millions right here of it. Of course, it'll show the number. Now, the next step is to go to Radium, which is the marketplace where you will make your token tradable. Now, first of all, here you need to connect wallet. So click on connect wallet and select Phantom. And then the pop-up will appear here on the Phantom wallet. Click on connect. And now the Phantom wallet is successfully connected. And then what you want to do is go here to liquidity and then create and continue with the default one. Now here you want to select the token and the fee tier right here. Let's select here. Of course, your token should appear here in the list. However, we didn't create it, so I'll just select any random one. Let's select this one, and let's say this one is our Tiger Warrior. Now select the code. We'll just select Solana and keep the other settings as they are. And here you need to set up the initial price. Now here for the Solana, or let's say it's for the Tiger Warrior. Let's say if you want to add the whole like 10 million, you can set it like for 2 Solanas, and if you want to add like half of it, you can set for 1. The pricing, of course, varies depending on what you want to set it for. And let's say I set it for 1 Solana, and then continue. And now I can enter the token amount that I want. Now in here I can like set the deposit amount. Let's say here I need, of course, to add like 5 or let's say, okay, 5 million, and that'll be for like this number of Solanas. Of course, this varies depending because I selected a random token here. But for this, you will enter just 2 Solanas, and then here, because it's insufficient balance, I cannot do it. However, this is the way you do it. And now your token is ready to go, and it's tradable, and you can trade it. And to test it out, just go to swap here, and here let's select from your token, which should appear in this list right here, and to Solana. And I cannot select it because it's the destination. So let's say from the array to Solana. And you can do the swap right here, and this way your token is created.